Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in iPhone gallery. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to just simply make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that scroll below, then tap on journal, and from here guys simply tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iPhone. If you don't have updated version, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again go back, then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough storage on your device. So guys, after doing this, then close this page and you have to open just App Store, type here search and search here for WhatsApp. So guys, simply search here for WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that there is no update on the WhatsApp app. If there have any update, then update your WhatsApp app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page and open your WhatsApp. From here guys, open your settings from here and tap on here chats, and from here guys you have to make sure that the save photos toggle is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.